Another fantastic day to everyone out there. How are you today? Today in our English grammar class, we'll be taking a new topic, preposition. Now previously we've had other topics, while here we're going to talk about preposition, and this is what I'm going to be using as an example. Now look at this, the cup, water. What's the relationship between the cup and the water? In. The relationship between the cup and the water is in. The cup is a noun, water is a noun. So when we talk about the water is in the cup, so that in there is a preposition. So that is what we're going to be talking about, what? Preposition. We're going to be talking about our preposition here. So we have preposition is placed before a noun or a pronoun. It must be before a noun or a pronoun. It defines a relationship. There's a relationship between the noun or the pronoun. So if there's no relationship, look at it. Let's look at that relation. What's the relation between the water and the cup? In. Or you can say inside. So that is it. So you have the preposition there is in. So the in there is telling the relationship between the water and the cup. Let's look at this other example. Look at this board there. Wow, this is actually looking nice. So we have all sorts of materials here. These materials are attached to the board. These materials are attached to the board. So if you look at it, what's the noun there? The board is a noun, and the materials there are also called their noun. So what is the relationship between this material and the board? To. They are attached to. Actually, that's a prepositional verb, but we are looking at attached to. So if I'm going to pick up just the preposition there, to. But when they say attached to, it means it becomes a word, a prepositional verb. So now let's look at it. Let's look at the next, what we're going to be discussing today. Examples of prepositions are on, in, about, above, against, behind, beneath, of, etc. We have all of them. So now let's look at this example here. I stood on the bridge of the ship. On the bridge of the ship. So now what is the preposition there? On is the preposition there. If you look at it, we have a pronoun here, I, that's the first person pronoun. The first person pronoun is telling you the relationship. Where did you stand? On the bridge. The bridge is a noun. Are you getting it? So this is a noun, and this is what? A pronoun. So the I there is a pronoun telling us a relationship between that defines what? This noun, this pronoun, and the noun. You can see that. So I stood on the bridge. On the bridge. Now, it's the sentence hasn't ended there. You also have of. It's a what? A preposition. So of the ship. Of the ship. So the ship is also what? A noun. So you can say that on and off is showing the relationship that defines what? To the noun, the pronoun, the noun, and the noun, bridge and ship. So it's telling us the relationship between in this sentence rather. Now we have the next one is the dog leaped over the wall after the ball. The dog leaped over the wall after the ball. Now let's look at what is the relationship there? What's the pronoun there? And what's the preposition there? Over. Over. Where did the dog leap? He leaped over the wall. Over the wall. When you say over, you what? Over the wall. So now it leaped over the wall after the ball. That it is what? It's after the ball. So after is also what? A preposition. So the dog, which is the noun there, is telling you it's There's a relationship between the dog, the wall, and the ball. Are you getting it? There's a relationship between the dog, the wall, and the ball. So over is showing the relationship between the dog leaping over the wall and the wall. And it's not just ending there. The dog did not just leap over the wall for nothing. It's running after the ball. So we also have, like what I explained here, we just talked about the water is in the cup. So it's telling in there, it's making what? It's telling the relationship between what? The water and the cup. I hope for these lessons, we all understand, we're able to understand what we call what and prepositions are. Thank you very much. I hope you get to read over your slide and watch the video. Whatever questions you have, always forward Vi and Mood.